हेलो बच्चों, लेट्स रीड द क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन इज कैलकुलेट द फॉर्मूला मासेस ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कंपाउंड. फॉलोइंग कंपाउंड्स के लिए हमें फॉर्मूला मासेस लिखना है. सबसे पहले है सोडियम ऑक्साइड Na2O. लेट्स सी द की कॉन्सेप्ट. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हमारे पास है सोडियम ऑक्साइड, सो Na2 है एंड फॉर्मूला मास क्या होता है? फॉर्मूला मास इज इक्वल टू सम ऑफ atomic masses of individual atom of constituent particles, right? So we have sodium ion and we have oxygen. So atomic mass of sodium is given in the question, that is around 23 unit, and also atomic mass of oxygen is given in the question. So formula mass will be equal to 2 multiplied by mass of sodium, mass of Na, right? And we have to add this and mass of, or you can say atomic mass of oxygen, right? So it will be 2 multiplied by mass of sodium is 23 plus mass of oxygen is 16 unit, right? So it will be equal to 46 and 16, so it will be equal to 62 units, right? So formula mass in case of sodium oxide will be equal to 62 units. And let us calculate the formula mass for aluminium oxide, right? So formula mass for second, formula mass of Al2O3 will be equal to 2 multiplied by atomic mass of aluminium plus of 3 multiplied by atomic mass of oxygen, right? So atomic mass of aluminium is 2 multiplied by 27 units plus of 3 multiplied by 16, which is the atomic mass of oxygen. So it will be equal to 54 plus 48. So the formula mass for Al2O3 will come out to be 102 units, right? I hope you understand it well. All the very best.